Hello everyone. Let's provide the solution to this problem. 3 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of x equals 12. Okay, for us to solve this, we are going to add these two. But then we can decide to factorize to get 3x as a common factor. Now here we have 1 plus here now 3 to the power of x divided by 3 to the power of x will give us 1, then we equate to 12. Now from here we have 3 to the power of x into 2, and that is equal to 12. But then we can decide to divide by 2 and divide this by 2. This can go with this. So we have 3 to the power of x, that is equal to 12 divided by 2, and it is 6. Now from here, what we are going to do is to take the log of both sides. So we have the log of 3 to the power of x to be equal to the log of 6. Now from here, what do I do? There's a law that says log a to the power of b is the same thing as b log a. This means that the power is always coming behind to multiply the log. So I will have x multiplying log 3. And on the other side, we have log 6. Now, from here, what should I do? Remember that we are looking for the value of x, so we can divide this by log 3. And the right-hand side will be divided by log 3. So, this can go with this, and we have x to be equal to log 6 divided by log 3. But mind you, we can simplify this. But it will be wrong to say log 6 divided by log 3 is log 2. That would be very wrong. So what do we do? This is x x is equal to log 6 is 3 multiplied by 2. So we have this over log 3. Mind you that from here we can get x to be equal to log 3 plus log 2. Then the whole of this is over log 3, right? Okay. And another point is this. We can decide to split this so that log 3 here will work for this and this. So this is the same as x equals log 3 over log 3, then plus log 2 over log 3. Okay, now this is going to cancel this, but then some students will make this mistake. Once they cancel out, they will not write anything there again, but that is wrong. Canceling here means log 3 divided by log 3, and that will give 1. So we have log 2 over log 3. Mind you that from here I can apply change of base. So if I do that, I'll have x to be equal to 1 plus log 2 to the base of 3. Remember that both of them were having the same base, and that is base 10. Now we want to change that base from base 10 to base 3. So the denominator here becomes the base. Okay, so this is what we have, and we call this the value of x. So we're going to put this back into the original equation and see if it will be satisfying. Okay, let's go there. This is the equation, this is the value of x, and the original equation is 3 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of x equals 12. So we want to put in the value of x to see if we're going to get 12 on the other side. So we have 3 here. In place of x, I'm going to write 1 plus log 2 to base 3 plus, here now we have 3 again to the power of 1 plus log 2 to base 3. Now, will this give us 12 on the other side? That is the question. Now, from here, we're going to apply one of the laws of indices, that if you have a to the power of m plus n, this is the same thing as a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. So in that case, I can express this in this form. I will also express this in this form. Okay, so we're going to have 3 to the power of 1 multiplied by 3 to the power of log 2 to base 3. Then plus, here again we have the same thing. So we have 3 to the power of 1 multiplied by 3 to the power of log 2 to base 3. Then 3 to the power of 1 is the same as 3. So this is 3. Then we have to multiply by 3 to the power of log 2 to base 3. Then we have 3 again to the power, multiplied by 3 to the power of log 2 to base 3. But then there's another law that we are going to apply. Now, the law says if you have n to the power of log m to base n, okay, if you have this, it is the same as m, because log to base n will cancel this n. Okay, so once this cancels out, then m is what is left over. So this is going to cancel this and 2 will be left over. This will also cancel this out and 2 will be left over. So this means that at the end of the day, we will be having 3 multiplied by 2. So we have 3 multiplied by 2, then plus, here again we have 3 multiplied by 2 over there. And then this will give us 6 plus 6. And 6 plus 6 is 12. And in case you have forgotten, the original equation is 3 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of x equals 12. So this means that we are very correct to say that x is equal to 1 plus log 2 to the base of 3. Thank you for watching this to the end, and do well to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.